Alright, your time starts now.
Okay, a very good morning to all of you. Okay, let me start something stupid like this. All of us do have something common within this room, right? We all do wear clothes. So all people who do wear clothes need to wash them, need to dry them, and again they need to wear them. So, and all those people face the same trouble, such as like, what if it rains? Or what if we forget? Or what if the clothesline is full? So what is the answer to all of it? That's intelligent clothes line. Okay, so as we analyze the customers, we got to know that there are three types of customers. There's space available and their requirement. The three types are, first one is the people who have space, the normal households. We design iClothes line for them. And the next group is the people who live in apartments or flats, people who do have a little space available. And we design iClothes rack for them, which is this. And the next group is the industries, people who use to wash clothes like garments and other factories. We use iRoof for them. And to describe, I'll invite
So my job here is to describe the functions of the iCurl, as we say, with a small demonstration, and my friend there will help me. And the first function of the iCurl is the user can control the cloth line using a simple USSD remotely from any player, from any place he wants. So so that will be demonstrated now. And if we look at the second function, the cloth line itself will know when the clothes are dry. Here we have used a reduction of percentage of weight to find out whether the clothes are dried or not. So, but in this demonstration we cannot show because it requires time. So I'll move on to the next one. The cloth line itself will know when it's raining, so that will be demonstrated by a small drop of water. And it should get back to its original state after the rain is over. That will be also demonstrated by wiping out that drop of water. So some more functions of cloth line will be, it notify the user at night whether or not to take the clothes inside. We all might forget that the clothes are outside, but iCurl will send a simple SMS to the user asking whether or not to take the clothes inside, and you can send a simple reply message, and you can notify the cloth line. And if we learn by itself over time using a simple linear regression model, the time required to dry the clothes for a particular month of the year. And finally, the iCurl will itself communicate with other objects like the washing machine. As an example, the washing machine will ask from the cloth line, should I wash the clothes now? Are you filled? So the cloth line itself tell, no, I am filled now. You may have to wait for 2 more hours with this condition in the month. So those are the functions. The API used for the development is the Zenith, the IoT API with the orange box, and as I mentioned over and over, the SMS API and the USSD API. So now we look at the business model. Pulani, over to you.
Okay, so the business model, as the first phase, we are introducing clothes line and clothes rack, and then after the 6 months, we are introducing clothes roof, as I mentioned, for the companies, and as a third step, we are including some expansions, as in like we can use this roof for such as plant beds and the hotels. So if I tell about the costing method, initial investment to buy this rack or the clothes line, that will be as above, and as for the USSD, the monthly subscription will be that, and for the companies, it will be a separate program and it will be charged differently. And when I talk about the marketing, we have already developed 70% of our product, and we thought of partnering with companies such as apartments and stuff, and digital and printed media marketing, and we have already developed a website and also the Facebook fan page. So now go to the Facebook fans page. And talking about cloth line, I think it is a product suitable for each and everyone, because every one of us, that's the main requirement of every one of us. We do wear clothes and we do need to wash them, and we need to dry them. So this will be very convenient because we can control it from any side, anywhere in the world. And of course,
Your time is up. Thank you.
yeah, thank you so much. And this is our website.